Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to join groups on Roblox. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and open our browser here, and once you open our browser we must go to Google and then search for Roblox. In here go to the first website, roblox.com, the official website of Roblox. So click here to enter the website, and then once you're here on the website and after you log in with your account, up to the left corner and click on these three lines and then search for groups. This one, you can see it between trade and blog. So click on groups here, and here you can search in the search bar. You can search for a specific group by name, or you can choose a group of these. Also we got building groups, role playing, fan, and so on, and you can pick up any category or any group that you would like to. For example, if you go to building and click on see all, we can search for any one of these. So I'd go with, for example, building friendships, and I'm gonna click on it. In here, once you in this page, you need to click on join group, and then you're gonna click here, and just wait a few seconds until you just verify and the verification complete. So now you're successfully joined the group. And to set your expectations, some groups you need to send a request and wait until they accept it, and some groups are not, such as this one. Once I click on join group, I joined the group successfully. And that was all today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.